Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a film burn transition with sound inside CapCut on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like the video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add in click on new project, and I'm going to add in two videos to demonstrate the film burn transition, and I'm also going to upload the film burn transition as well. So I'm going to quickly do that now. Alright, so here's the film burn, and then if I scroll down, I'm going to do it between these two videos. Alright, so now I've uploaded my 3 videos. Now I'm going to drag these into my timeline, like so. And I'm going to drag the film burn. And now I'm going to position it in the middle of the 2 videos, like so. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit here to make it a bit easier to work with. So now here's the film burn. This is the first clip and the second clip. So now you want to add that transition in the middle. Now from here, select the film burn video, and at the top here, click on video, and then where it says blend mode, click on mode. And now I want to use the screen one here. You can experiment with other blend modes, but I find screen is the best effect, but just depending what videos you're using. So yeah, have a play around, but for this one I'm going to choose screen. And also I just put this slider on the middle here. You can change the opacity as well on this blend to make it a more or less. So I'm going to keep it around, say, 60%, give or take. Now we want to play back the transitions to see how it all flows. So I'll start it from here. I'll do it in full screen. Yeah, so that's it guys, how to add a film burn transition in CapCut on PC.